I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean, with my heart open, when the world is on your shoulders.
Well, hi, Dave of Urban Astro, and tonight I'm setting up my scopes so that I can do some astrophotography. I know that on this particular scope here, I'm going to be looking to photograph the Crescent Nebula along with all the surrounding nebulosity. And my thought is that I would have the Crescent Nebula down in perhaps like the left or the right hand bottom of the frame, and then a lot of that beautiful nebulosity that's above it and heading over towards the middle of the Cygnus star cloud, have some of that nebulosity available there. I thought that that would be a really nice shot. So tonight will be the first of a series of nights where I will hopefully be getting that particular series of shots. And it probably will be tonight, which is Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday and Sunday, and hopefully Monday if it doesn't get too hot. So far we've had relatively cool days. We've had days that are in the mid 90s instead of triple digits, but come Saturday and Sunday we're looking at triple digits. Temperatures at least 100 degrees. So as long as it gets cool at night, I'm still able to do astrophotography, which is really kind of what I'm after here, is astrophotography done at night when it's still cool before it gets too hot. Problem that I get is when the nighttime temperature doesn't get below 90 degrees, or it doesn't get below really the upper 90s, because the camera is only cooled down to 35 degrees below ambient Celsius, and we're like 90, you know, towards the end of June at nighttime. Even in the early morning, we're going to be like 98 degrees, and it's going to be pretty darn warm. And so trying to get as much in as I can while the mornings are still somewhat cool. The mornings are still in the upper 60s and low 70s, which helps in terms of being able to get some shots.